I'm Vince and welcome to the Back Academy. What we are building today is a way to link our goals, our systems and our tasks. First, let's replace our link to the Actions page. Let's do a toggle as we did in the previous video. Then let's create the pages, the sub-pages. In Actions we have tasks, projects and goals. Then in goals we have personal goals, systems related goals and the business goals. In the systems we create our first database. This database will contain our systems, the way we do things, because we always want to perform the same way, to use the same steps. So here we prep, we execute and we adjust. And in those 3 steps we have 3 sub-steps, because everything goes in threes in the back productivity system. And so each step must be performed each time by every staff member. Then now we want to link the systems and the business goals. So in the business we create the business goals database. We create a relation to the systems. Because goals use systems, and one of our goals is to have 12 new collaborations on this year. What system is involved is that we contact someone out of the blue. We also create a relation to the year because we want this to appear in the annual report. So the year is 2021, and in 2021 our goal is to engage on 12 collaborations, and we will use the contact someone out of the blue system to do that. Our goal to reach is a number, and how many success did we have, we will place in the done property. The done property will change pretty soon. Now it's a number, soon it will be a roll-up. You'll see. Then to accomplish those goals and to use those systems, we need tasks. Those tasks are linked to our business goals. So a first task will be to contact note-taking app developers. We do this to reach the engage 12 collaborations on the year goal. When will we do that? it's the due date. When must it be done? It's the due date. Then it is assigned to someone, and we also count how many positive results we got on this task. Now that we have this positive results property in the task, we can change the done property and use a rollup. A rollup to what? We will use the task relation, get the positive results property, and use it as a number, and we will do a sum of all the positive results of the tasks that are set to reach the Engage 12 collaboration goal. We have 6 positive results and we meant to get 12. So we also can use a formula to get a percentage of what succeeded. We can hide the property to the tasks because it takes too much place, but we can always see it in the item. So no, because we want everybody to always perform the same, we can use a template, so the people use this template to send the first email to the person we want to collaborate with. So we create a template. It's not really a template in the Notion way, but we link this block to the system so that when we need to use a template to create the message, you just have to click on the link and use the template that's available. Now we also want to have a process to send the message. So how can we send a mail? So in the system we create a new item. The new item in the system is how to send a mail, and we will give all information needed to perform this task. Once again, we go in great details because we want our people to perform always the same. So it's the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, ring the bell. Be nice in your comments because trolls are only fun if they dance, sing or hug. Please share all you do on Twitter with me so we can have a little chat with what you produce with the back productivity system. I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.